Understanding Dutch oven, a dual meaning explained. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a phrase that might cook up some confusion: Dutch oven. Whether you're a culinary expert or just love to accumulate quirky English phrases, this video is for you. We'll explore not just one, but two distinct meanings of this term and how to use it in everyday conversation. So, let's get started and uncover the layers of meaning behind Dutch oven. The first meaning of Dutch oven takes us to the heart of the kitchen. A Dutch oven is a thick-walled cooking pot with a tight-fitting lid. Traditionally made of cast iron, modern Dutch ovens can also be made of cast aluminum or ceramic. They're beloved by cooks for their durability and versatility. Perfect for a range of cooking methods, from stewing to baking. Why Dutch? The term comes from a casting technique that the Dutch introduced in the 17th century. The English improved upon this method and eventually started producing their own pots, which they continued to call Dutch ovens. Moving from the kitchen to the realm of slang, Dutch oven has a humorous or sometimes immature second meaning. In this context, it refers to the act of trapping someone under bed covers after releasing flatulence, creating an unpleasant, warm environment. This usage of Dutch oven is informal and typically found in a playful, albeit not so refined, conversation. It's a good example of English's penchant for light-hearted euphemisms for bodily functions. Let's put both meanings into context with some example sentences. Culinary: I bought a new Dutch oven to try out that bread recipe you sent me. Slang: my brother thought it was hilarious to give me a Dutch oven when we were kids. Remember, while the second usage might get some laughs in casual settings, it's not appropriate for formal situations. There you have it, a classic kitchen staple and a playful slang term, all wrapped up in Dutch oven. We hope this video has expanded your culinary and colloquial vocabulary in English. Keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious and happy learning.